Hello everyone, I am Kapil Garg from Applied Science Department of RPIT College Campus Karnal. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the electrodes and electrolyte. Now we are going to start next topic, that is electrolysis. What is electrolysis? The process by which free elements are liberated from an electrolyte solution by the passage of an electric current through it is called electrolysis. वो प्रोसेस बाय विच फ्री जो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो लिबरेट होते हैं फ्रॉम एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन से बाय द पैसेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के पैसेज के साथ उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो केमिकल इक्विवेलेंट क्या होता है? इट इज न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल टू एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ एलिमेंट डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स वैलेंसी. क्या होता है? इट इज न्यूमेरिकली इक्वल टू एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ एलिमेंट जो डिवाइड होते हैं किससे? उसकी वैलेंसी से. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस देयर आर टू लॉज ऑफ फैराडे व्हिच इज बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. तो द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ फैराडे says that the mass of ions liberated at the anode or deposited at the cathode in electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity charge passed through the electrolyte. If m be the mass of ions and q be the total charge passed, then m is directly proportional to q and m is equal to zq, or we can say m is equal to zlt, where z is the electrochemical equivalent, where z is electrochemical equivalent, ECE बोलते हैं, of substance. Clear? And the second one is, the second law says that when the same electric current is passed through several electrolyte, जब same electric current pass होता है several electrolyte से, for the same time the masses of various ions deposited at the respective cathode or liberated at the respective anode are proportional to their chemical equivalents, जिसको हम Ma divided by Mb which is equal to Ea divided by Eb. ठीक है, आगे देखो. Electrochemical equivalent of substance is defined as the mass of ions liberated or deposited during electrolysis when 1 coulomb of electricity is passed through the electrolyte or when 1 ampere of current is passed through the electrolyte for 1 second. This is known as electrochemical equivalent relationship. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द Faraday's two law of electrolysis in which we can explain m is directly proportional to q, total charge passed. I think you all are getting my point. Thank you to all of you for watching this video.